Hello, Osprey! Welcome to this tutorial on how to submit a deposit. If you are a recently accepted student, congratulations! You will need the acceptance package that was mailed to you with your Go Portal credentials. If you are a returning student, you already have this information. We're going to need to get into the Go Portal. Please click on the Go symbol at the top of the page on stockton.edu. Next, you will need to click Login to Go Stockton Portal. Please ensure you have your credentials ready as you're getting ready to enter them. Enter them here. Welcome to your portal. Our first action is going to be to navigate to the Bursar tab of this portal. Please click Bursar. It's important to get familiar with this screen, as once the bill becomes available, you will only be able to see it online through My Account, My Bill, right here. For the sake of this video, we're going to scroll down to make a deposit. Please note this link is only used for admission acceptance, housing acceptance, rent renewal, or a summer course deposit. Please make your selection. Next, we're in this page, we're going to select from the drop-down the type of deposit we are making. Please note there will be multiple, and confirm with admissions or our office which option is best for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to process an acceptance for an undergraduate student. Once I make my selection, I'm going to click Select, and notice it populates on my screen. I'm going to want to ensure that I select the right deposit, and I click Continue. Next is going to be the method of payment. You'll notice you also have another drop-down method where you will select electronic check or credit card via PayPath. It's important to select the right method and click Continue. Once you enter in all your information, you will receive confirmation and a receipt will populate. We do suggest keeping this receipt for your records, as your deposit is not officially viewable until the term that you made this deposit for bill becomes available. For example, for the fall semester, most accepted undergraduate students do not receive their bill until they attend orientation or registration. Another example is if you were making a rent renewal deposit, you would not see your rent renewal applied to your bill until the release of that term's bill. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office via phone or email. Our phone number is 609-652-4597, or you can contact us with the student's name and Z number at bursar@stockton.edu. That's BURSAR@stockton.edu. Thank you so much for watching this video, and go Ospreys!